Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give access someone to your Wix website. Okay, let's go to the video. Here I have already logged into my Wix account. I have several websites. Just go to website dashboard. Put the cursor on the website and click on select and edit site. Okay, this is dashboard. Now click on settings. Scroll down. You can see here general. Under that you can see roles and permissions. Click on that. Here I have only one role, that's me, owner. To add someone, click on invite collaborators. First you need to add emails of the persons that you are going to add. You can add here up to 10 emails. Okay, then here you can see roles. Simply it means what are the permissions you are going to give someone. I will briefly explain what are the roles. Under general roles you can see admin. It is the highest permission, but it doesn't include delete or transfer the site. Under roles you can see what are the permissions for each. If you want to see all the permissions for each roles, click on three dots in front of the role and click on view all permissions. Here you can see all permissions. Now you can see other type of roles, CMS roles, billing roles and so on. Or if you want to give custom permissions as your requirement, you can give mix of all these permissions. Here you can see create custom roles. It says custom roles let you create a role with any combination of permission you need. Click on custom role. Here you can add name for the role and also you can add a description. Then you can select permissions. You can see all the permission types here. So I'm not going to create a custom role. Okay, now I will just show you how to add a role. Enter email here. Now select the role. Click on send invite. Here you can select who is your collaborator or you can skip it. Okay, now invitation is sent successfully. Here you can see new role. Now collaborator will get an invitation email and he or she can accept it. Now I will show you easy method to come to this settings page. When you log into your Wix account, you can see your websites here. Then you can see here three dots on the website. Click on that and you can see here add collaborators. Click on that. Now you will be directed to this same page directly and easily. So you can add collaborators here. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up, comment below and hit the subscribe button.